Super Vibes Radio. We live direct with that uncensored sound. With independent artists going all around, man. Let's go. Stand up. Yeah. We out here, man. Live direct. What's going on here? Good? We live direct, man. It's with great pleasure to actually introduce an international artist right now, live from Ghana, my boy Chase. Yo,
Appreciate
Chase
it.
forever.
Forever.
Yo, we verified now. I hear blue check now.
Yeah, we been verified.
Blue check, been verified.
Been
Banger after
verified.
banger, huh?
What happened?
Banger after banger.
Yeah, banger after banger, bro. We
It's
working.
lit.
We working.
Working.
You know how it is. We staying here, bro.
Okay. Yo, so we're going to get deep into this now because a lot of people don't know where you came from, but the sound is relevant to what's going on in music right now with
Yeah.
uniqueness.
Yeah.
And we've had a lot of artists come on the show, but none as far as international that has a buzz that's dealing with, like gritty type music producers
Yeah.
and industry artists in the industry today. And it's a great pleasure that I'm able to work with you in the studio
Yeah.
and see your vibes and everything. But now I want to see where the element of surprise is on how you came up in music.
Yeah. I came up in music. I started professionally, like I would say 2010.
2010?
2010 professionally, I had my biggest single I released in Ghana. You
Yeah.
know, and that got nominations. I had nominations with Ghana Music Awards.
Wow.
Yeah, Foresight Music Awards.
Okay.
That was the first time, and I remember very well when I didn't pick it. You know, I got the nomination, but I didn't win it. And I went to my pops, and I was telling my pops about the story, and I'm like, I felt like, I felt cheated,
Yeah.
And my pops was like, yo, when it's your time, nobody could cheat you out your time.
Facts.
So
I
it
feel-
just wasn't the time. And then I came back the next year with Lonely. Then I picked that award for Best Male Video for Ghana Music Awards. That's like the whole Ghana, and other nominations, Best Record of the Year. It did great. And then Fire came along. So it's been back to back.
Yeah.
But then somewhere along the line, like in 2015, I felt like my sound was too big. Like I felt like the world had to hear what I had.
Okay.
Because every time that I make records, it touch people in a different way. And it touch people in a different way. So I was like, you know what? It's time to embark on a different journey. I felt like coming out here and making the world hear it's my way, it's my service to God, in the universe. You feel
A
me?
lot of people don't say that or reflect
Yeah.
on university.
Yeah.
Like we spoke about that universal code to where it's a university in
Yeah.
the college sense to where people have to have a good energy.
Yeah.
And I like that we got to speak because we spoke with a lot of different people around that were diverse in the streets.
Yeah.
And it was still a good element here. So when I saw you actually go in the studio and record in the booth,
Yeah.
it was like, oh man, we got an international artist here
Yeah.
with a unique sound. Now Akon don't feel no way about it, but I got my money on this brother.
Wow. That's
You
dope.
understand? That's
Appreciate
dope
that,
and
bro.
deep at the same time because I follow international music
Yeah.
since I have artists all around the world.
Yeah.
Right now in London,
Yeah.
there's a big circuit going on, and
Yeah.
not for nothing, no disrespect to the United States market.
Yeah.
We haven't really touched United States market on what we do because we like the international side of being global and having more fans that are unique, organic,
Yeah.
as opposed to, United States trade of music market to where they have it's basically bought and paid and
yeah.
different type of viral things that
Yeah.
are going on.
Yeah.
I'm not with it,
Yeah.
like with the shits.
Yeah.
So,
You're
like,
not with the whole
yeah.
created stuff.
Yeah,
you
you
know?
understand? So like
I
when,
feel
when
you.
I deal with artists like international, I got
Yeah.
Trev Moolah in the building. You work
Yeah.
with Trev Moolah.
Trevor's amazing.
You understand? He amazing.
Yeah.
You've worked with a lot of artists.
Yeah.
Within such a short period, I
Yeah.
feel like you've actually adapted to the collective to where it's actually brought out even a more unique sound in
Yeah.
what you do.
Yeah. Like what me and Trev did the other day was,
That was phenomenal.
It was amazing.
Hands down, that was phenomenal.
Yeah.
I played back the video and everything like
Yeah.
that. Like, comments that we got on that from record labels, even
Yeah.
with the paparazzi post side,
Yeah.
you know, and it was just amazing. It was
Yeah.
amazing. It
Shout
was
out to
like
Paparazzi
a
Pole.
soup ready to be made,
Yeah.
and it was a perfect recipe.
Recipe,
for a plate,
yeah.
You understand? So
Got you.
getting all you guys in there, it was really good.
You know,
Now,
this.
let me ask you a question. What 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 intent do you have with your music and message you have for your music to be
Yeah.
put out to fans and to capture new fan ears?
Yeah. My message to the fans is, you know, what you're doing. This is what you're doing is you living for purpose and not position.
Mm.
You know what I mean? And that's when you start to live. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
And like what you're talking about is everything is created these days, and so the message is definitely missing. You know what I mean? Anything that's man made is got a lot of imperfections in it. You know,
Say that again. Preach
you know,
that.
yeah, you know. So at the end of the day, I just try to make sure I get it to my people organically. You know, I don't like there's certain things that like lately I just work right there in the studio.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Because I realized that I work based off just vibe and you know energy. Like you're
Yeah.
talking about is energy. You know.
I've been loving the energy that the studio has had with like
Yeah.
close to 20 different artists in
Just
and out.
walking
You
in,
understand?
yeah.
Just vibing together, and like a collective really enhances the music when people are free basing their ideals
Yeah.
to where it's united with sound. Whether
Yeah.
you Blood, whether you Crip,
Yeah.
whether you Vice Lord, whether you GDK,
Yeah.
anything.
You know that's
And
one thing.
it's been it's been hot here. Like,
Yeah,
nice.
that's like, you know, you want to get people together is food and music, bro.
Yeah, I feel that.
You know, so music is something we can't just overlook. You know, one thing we don't even realize is there's no commercial with no music in it.
Mhm.
Everything that the corporate world tries to sell, they do it through music, bro.
Facts. Let me
You
ask
know,
you something.
yeah.
Man. Your music.
Yeah,
If you had to introduce the first track, all the tracks that you sent to my DJ,
yeah,
Shot Black on the 1 and 2s, Triple
yeah.
Fifth Thursdays.
Shout out to Shop Black.
Shout out, you understand? Like,
Mhm.
shout out to my brother from another mother.
Yeah.
You understand? Like, let me tell you, this brings a lot of like sense and emotion into what we do here, because Triple Vibes Radio has a root.
Yeah.
We were in Biggie's block, you understand?
Yeah.
Triple Vibes.
And we really
It
took
started.
the dynamic.
Yeah.
We started with Biggie's block,
Wow.
and we took it all the way out here to where we're a brand now, and we're trying to
Yeah.
collectively, put the artists out there independently,
Yeah.
and saying let's let's
Let's-
work
yeah,
together.
yeah.
Let's work together to make this
Yeah.
sound unique.
Yeah.
If you had to pick a track that you sent,
Yeah.
what track would you put out there first?
It's what I already put out there. Obidoba. Obidoba means is a language back home from Ghana, which means someone's love child.
Mm.
You know, and this is the message we're preaching right now. Is
Okay.
because I've been here for 4 years. You know, just trying to make a dream work. I gave up everything to come do it. This is what I'm
Nice.
saying. I'm living for purpose. So money is gonna come regardless.
Yeah,
You know
that's
what I
true.
mean? So this record is what I'm saying. If we help each other, nobody's gonna come back. If you help me and you set me up,
One
I'm
hand
not.
washes the other.
I'm not
Facts.
exactly simple as short.
92.5, we getting this like live cracking, popping, whatever
Mm.
you want to say. Yo, Shot, let's get into this track and hear this. Let's hear this sound and let's see this rhythm.
Triple Vibes. Triple Vibes.
Yo, go by the name of Chase Forever, and this my new single, Obidoba, produced by Jerry Beats. Make sure y'all go cop it. It's on Apple Music and everywhere, streaming
Yo, bro,
live.
I gotta do. Bow, 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 bow.
I'm
Bah.
a DJ Shablak, you know what thing going on, man? Lock the road. Crack the code, Shablak a lock the road.
Triple Vibes.
Yo, Jerry Beats. I know if you're ready, baby boy. Let this beat there. Let it hit your body, hit your soul. Ooh, la, la. Hit your body, hit your soul. Ooh, la, la. Hit your body, hit your soul. I wish you nothing but success, my brother. Long, long, long. I wish you nothing but success, my sister.
Long, long.
Cause if we all get money, nobody go ask me for favor. God give you blessings, I wish you nothing but success, my sister. Yeah, 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 Yeah. Bio vida bae, bio vida bae. Unzu yo vida bae, yeah yeah. God give you blessings. Bio vida bae, bio vida bae. Unzu yeah. Yeah. I know it's. I wish you nothing but success, my brother. I wish you nothing but success, my sister. That's it. No Jerry Beats.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'll be ready for you, boy. Appreciate
That
it,
shit fire. They have to
Bring it back.
Like,
You ready? Body hit your song. Ooh, gaga. Hit your body. Hit your song. Ooh, gaga.
Triple vibes.
Yo, listen, that's too exclusive for y'all. I don't even want that track right now in here. We got the Dubai coming up. You understand? We all going out to Dubai. You
Yeah,
understand?
come
We're
vibe
gonna do
with
that.
us.
Come
Big ass
vibe with
vibe,
us.
you know what I
Big
mean?
old Dubai experience. You know, this
Yeah.
track is definitely
Triple
gonna be
vibes.
something with all the artists we popping out there. But
yeah,
I want this rhythm to actually, you know, make that real good party dance
Bro, what's
vibe in the
crazy
club.
is nobody really
That's
understands the
definitely a
record.
hit. That's definitely a hit.
Appreciate
you understand?
bro.
Because that's gonna carry, you know, international buzz wave rather than opposed to just one sound that's not versatile in the United
Yeah.
States. So, you know, like, let me tell you, we ain't even playing that track now. You understand? We ain't playing that track.
Yeah.
Let's go into the next track. You have the one with Trey, or y'all ain't get that yet?
Nah,
right?
we ain't get that yet.
Man.
But
me
let's
tell
go into Crazy World.
Crazy
Let's
world.
go into Crazy World because that's what this is, a crazy world.
It
man.
is a crazy world.
Yeah, so R.I.P. to my mother. I lost my mom
Oh,
last
my
February.
condolences, bro.
Yeah, man. So this is what I produced after that.
Okay.
You know what's
So this
crazy
was
is
the feelings and emotions behind it.
that's all you get, bro.
Okay.
It's all a vibe. That's why I told Shot, don't speed up the records, please.
Okay, Shy.
Don't.
That's the second time he said that. I
Yeah.
think you have to let him know right now
Yeah.
we uncensored
Yeah.
and that like you don't speed up records because you're from Brooklyn.
That's
Oh, Shy, you might get dropped.
all DJs do that.
Yo, Shy, you really do that?
Everybody does it.
International?
Yeah.
Yo, bro, you can't speed up. Yo, bro, don't
Yeah.
do it. Don't do it.
And I
right
know
now.
you're Jamaican,
do
so
it
you
right
feel
now.
that vibe
I ain't
differently.
listen, that vibe
You
is
know,
not
it's
different.
big, bro.
Let's get into this next track. Then.
Yeah, this
Triple
is
vibes.
Crazy World, produced by DJ Wright.
Uh.
Make sure you get that right, and we about to get it now because it's a crazy world.
Crazy
go.
world. Hey.
Ooh yeah, ooh, yeah, yeah. DJ Wright, let's get it right. All them niggas want is a down ass girl, but don't nobody stay faithful to a girl. All them girls want is a diamond ring, but nobody want die just to go heaven. Yeah, hey, yeah, we living in a crazy world. Say we living in a crazy world. Yeah, we living in a crazy world. Say we living in a crazy world. Yeah, we living in a crazy world. Who say we living in a crazy world? Yeah, we living in a crazy world. Say we living in a crazy world. Yeah. Everybody thinking they are stars just cause of likes. People sell their soul for some Instagram likes. Every other year is getting hard to get a wife. Trust issues messing up my chances, yeah. Homegirl can't keep a man, yeah. And she gets defensive. My girl was out the other night with another guy, so I'm just getting lit every other night. Somebody show me love, cause I want a real love. Yeah. All them niggas want is a down ass girl, but don't nobody stay faithful to a girl. Yeah. All them girls want is a diamond ring, but nobody want die just to go heaven. Yeah, we living in a crazy world. Say we living in a crazy world. Yeah, we living in a crazy world. Say we living in a crazy world. Yeah, we living in a crazy world. Who say we living in a crazy world? Yeah, we living in a crazy world. Say we living in a crazy world. Yeah. Please, put it on repeat. Since I left them, everybody seem to be on TV.
for TV. They feeding hard, nigga jealous of his ex-IG feed. Please believe me, please believe me. I seen and done it all in a night and day. So don't you lose your life as a facade, that's crazy. See me, I'm looking for that real thing, baby. Somebody show me love, cause I want a real love. Yeah. All them niggas want is a down as girl. Yeah. But don't nobody stay faithful to a girl. Don't nobody stay faithful. Don't nobody all them girls want is a diamond ring. Woo. But nobody want die just to go have it. Nobody want die just to go. Nobody want die just to go. Yeah. Say we living in a crazy world. Yeah. We living in a crazy world. Say we living in a crazy world. Yeah. We living in a crazy world. Who say we living in a crazy world? Yeah. Whoa. Oh. Yeah.
We live on Triple Vibes, man. Yo,
Shout out Triple Vibe.
We got international buzz, and like that's definitely gonna vibe out the carnival tours that we do and everything like that.
Man.
Like we have to get it in this year. Like 2020, I saw the vision, I made it clear, and we set that shit up to strong arm and
Straight.
everything. You know, what I want to ask you though, you know, I know overseas is hard right now.
Yeah.
You know, I go overseas sometimes, actually a lot, like, you know, but like I see more stuff going on there aggressively with the music in Ghana.
Yeah.
I know Akon basically is doing something in his country where he made his own
City.
city or something like that.
Yeah, man. Like, I don't know if I would say outside is hard. I feel like what it really is our leaders are just greedy, you know? Yeah. That's the truth.
Bro, you know this goes globally out, right? You might not be allowed in Ghana.
Nah, man. I gotta speak the truth, man. You know, being out here, that's what I realized, bro.
Yeah.
I realized that there's really a thin line between the truth and your success and everything that's good that come to you. You have to always speak the truth, man.
Facts.
Don't bite your tongue for no man. That's real.
Okay.
So that's what's really wrong with the continent. You know, the continent is a great continent with a lot of resources and all that. And it's crazy what they show out here. That's not Africa, man. Like when people hear Africa, what they think about and envision is not what, you know, that's not Africa.
Yo, Sha, when they told me the other day he was coming, right? I ain't gonna bullshit.
Yeah.
I saw him in the show, interview before that, and I saw the jewels he had. Nigga, I was thinking the Brooklyn way, but then he come and said hello. I'm like, yeah, this my dude right here. This my dude right here. Now, like I ain't gonna do nothing. We ain't gonna think nothing.
Yeah, for real,
With the
man.
people over there and everything. And
Bro, you know what's crazy? I walk anywhere with my jewelry, man,
like, I
because
was surprised. Like,
my spirit
listen,
is different,
when I have my
man.
artist with me, I'm usually holding.
Yeah.
You understand? And my artists are always protected on every sense.
Yeah.
So even with that vibe there,
Yeah,
like,
man.
I saw you and then I saw the other artists and I already knew, okay, everything is, you know, right
Yeah,
here and we have a good vibe.
Yeah.
But I didn't want anything to, you know, reflect to with
Gotcha.
artists I was with have
Yeah.
any type of, you know,
Yeah.
bad intent with anybody
Yeah.
around there. So
Yeah.
I always hold everybody down. in
Down.
any
That's
type of
dope,
situation
man.
to
That's
be.
really dope.
So,
man.
you know, as far as like the artistry of you
Yeah.
performing and actually showing that, you know, you have a project coming up, right?
Yeah, I
with
already dropped the
Paparazzi Pro,
project.
with
Yeah, and
Fred.
we doing something
I
new
see,
with
man,
Paparazzi
Man,
Pro.
things go down and it's crazy.
Man, they all talented. You know what I mean?
All
I
of
like to be around great energy and great talented people, man. I feel like that's what it's all about, man.
Yeah, you know, shout out to my boy
Yeah.
Paparazzi Pro. We just, you know, hit over 100,000 on the interview with Flip.
Wow.
You know, y'all definitely have to intune that. That's the
Yeah.
real man
Organic
behind the music
stuff,
and everything
yeah.
like that tells a story, you know.
Dope.
And to work with that type of artist
Yeah.
and know that type of story that you were working with that type of artist, how did
Yeah.
it make you feel that y'all locked in and stood here, I think, the whole night?
Yeah,
Yo,
man.
Shy, when I tell you, all night, my nigga, this music was
Yeah.
on to like 9 in the morning.
Yeah,
I
man.
had to come and Trev was still on the board like, yo, son, come hear this.
Man,
went to
I
sleep.
love their work
Nah.
ethic, man. I love their work ethic. You know, that's how I
Yeah.
like to work, you know? Because we gotta look at it like, yo, the Drakes and the Jay-Z's. Oh,
Yeah, it's that
let me leave Jigga out.
Damn.
The Drakes and the Futures, they don't sleep, man. They always working.
Mhm.
And when you trying to get on and you sleeping, says a lot about you. You know what I mean?
does.
So yeah, man. We in here, man. 2020, man. We in here, man. You're gonna hear the biggest world records
I
in
think
here.
we just took the whole industry with the records that we have now.
Oh boy.
Like with the records we have now, yo, Shot, when I tell you like every A&R, every press person and publicist has been here to hear different certain tracks, my nigga, we've had people in and out that just hearing shit that really ain't out yet on sound, new wave, nothing, to where they made a dynamic sound, with their
Different.
own unique, different, taking beats and basically cutting them up, everything. Like it was crazy. So
Yeah.
that experience right there, does that
Yeah.
influence you more to stay in the United States side to where you work with artists out here?
Yeah,
Or you
it,
still gonna work with international artists?
I
being a
mean, I'm
global
gonna
artist?
work with anybody that's talented that touches me. You know what I
Okay.
mean? If you touch me,
No Bill Cosby.
no, no Bill, no
I
Bill.
just had to say it, bro. Come on, I'm covering you, bro. I got you. I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? It just gotta hit me different, man. You know, and then it wouldn't even be about the money. You know what I mean? Like, it just had to hit me different. You know, I have mad people in my DM talking about they want features. It's not about the money. You just gotta hit me different with the record, and then we
Yeah.
talk about the money. You know what I'm
Facts.
saying? You can't pay me to do a record if it's whack. It's one thing I'll tell you. I'm not jumping on it if I'm not feeling it. Yeah. So
it was a good mingle, I think, with everything that you had done.
yeah,
And
yeah,
I've seen over the period of time of you actually working here
yeah.
that the artists have felt good vibes with you. There's been different type of
Yeah,
choruses
you
and
know,
hooks
it's
that's just natural. Like
it's a
coming
respect
natural.
thing. Yeah, it's a
So,
respect thing. You know
I
what I mean?
definitely appreciate you.
Yeah,
understand,
appreciate,
being
bro.
here. I appreciate the interview and everything like that.
Yeah,
Where
appreciate.
can the people find you?
People can find me on everywhere as Chase Forever GH. On Instagram, I'm Chase Forever GH. So ChaseForeverGH.
Okay.
You're gonna find me as verified, and pretty much if you Google Chase Forever and add Ghana to it, all my handles pop out. You know,
Yeah,
Twitter, everything, and it's verified. So
It's optimism.
yeah, so they can't miss.
Look up. It's really good out there.
Yeah,
So like this is why like I jumped on the interview when
yeah,
I had the chance, and you've been working here for minutes.
yeah.
And, like, I
Appreciate
just had
it.
to do it. So before we go, I appreciate you again for coming on the show.
Appreciate it,
Yo,
bro.
Sha, let's get into this last one. Pick this last track that you want to buzz.
I think Sha wanna hear that record, right?
No Jerry B.
He wanna hear.
Oh, yo,
it.
Sha, but nah, we can't play that whole thing. Nah, Void, that's going.
All right, man. Let me
Yo,
pick
bro,
another
when they
record.
say that's going on Dubai thing, like that's dead. That's it. You
All
can't play
right.
it no more.
All right.
It's over. The track
All right.
is taken.
Mailing
It's
out to
gone like
Dubai.
this.
Sealed,
You got the
signed,
whole
delivered.
thing, all that.
All right. Pick one day. Let me talk some New York shit. Yeah. Okay.
Raise that. New York.
One day. You gon' have it your way. And everything's gonna be okay. One day. One day. You gon' have it your way. And everything's gonna be okay. Everything is right by the timing. I wanna love you, my darling, but I don't have the time, I'm grinding. Waking up the train noises and them sirens. Welcome to New York City. All about the money, everybody greedy. If I got it, nigga, trust me, you can get it. I got the same hours and the same minutes. Now I'm shining and they hating on me. They don't see the grind in me. I just slept all night and day. And day. Yeah, one day. One day. You gon' have it your way. Gonna be okay, yeah, one day. Yeah, one day. You gon' have it your way. And everything's gonna be okay, yeah. One day it'll be fine. Even a broken clock is right at least twice. I love my niggas to death, so whenever we fight, they know it's always respect. Haters get declined 3 times. I'm telling you that your time is near, and you gon' get everything you deserve. But it can always get ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Oh baby, don't let me go. Oh baby, don't let me go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, one day you gon' have it your way. And everything's gonna be okay. Yeah. Oh, one day. Yeah. Oh, one day you gon' have it your way. And everything's gonna be okay.
I'm not saying it here, Shab Black. You know what it
Yo. Triple vibes, yeah. Triple vibes, yeah. I triple vibing on the lyric, yeah. And everybody feel my spirit, yeah. Freestyling off the top, I never write it, yeah. Off the top is right, straight from my mind, yeah. Shout out my boy from BK, yeah.
Wicked. You already know, man. Brooklyn and the motherfucker. We always outside right now. Triple Vibes Radio is everywhere. Download the application.
Triple Vibes.
You know, it's thanks for the interview.
It's
bro.
live, bro.
Straight look out.
Live.
Triple Vibes.
Appreciate you for having me,
Yo,
King.
you already know, man.
It's
Triple
what we
Vibes.
do.
Taking this to the next level.
Up.
We out. Bang, bang, Gorilla Gang. We in.